All right.
That's entry number 1.
Yeah. So we're staying, that's traditional for you, Air Force One. I'm going with a traditional shoe for me, which is, I was very happy that they came out with this. This is an Adidas neighborhood collaboration.
Okay.
They came out with 2 colorways in these, and this is the original NMDs.
NMDs.
That, you know.
You brought these puppies back.
Brought them back, yo.
Brought them
Neighborhood.
back.
I'm so happy y'all decided to make an R1 NMD. And yeah, pick these joints up, man. I'm really excited about them.
All right. Let's get involved.
Some details.
There's a lot.
Some details.
There is a lot happening here. First off, the sole. The sole, the discoloration of the sole on purpose reminds me of the dirty denim Air Max that I have.
Yep.
Where it's made to look dirty, distressed.
Yep.
And
Out
that's
the
dope.
box.
That's dope.
Yep.
Secondly, you've got this suede stuff around.
Yeah.
So on the Adidas stripes, and what's holding the shoelaces is navy blue suede. Then you got a suede strip right around the edge of the toe box.
Yes.
Which is very dope because that's navy blue. The rubber underneath is navy blue. The rubber on the side is navy blue.
A navy blue pair.
But they stopped the color.
Yep.
So instead of making the whole sole this dirty cream situation, they stopped it and then
navy blue on
made that navy blue for the back, for the heel portion.
Yes,
that's
indeed.
crazy.
Bandana situation.
And then the bandana situation.
It almost looks like satin. I've been trying to figure it out.
There's like a
Satiny,
finish
right?
to
Right?
it.
Yeah.
And then they go polka dot for the shoestring.
Which are 3M. They're
course
3M.
they are.
Yeah. Shoestrings are 3M. I'm excited about these. They came out with the blue joints and black joints.
I like the suede on this heel, on the tab on the heel. That's nuts.
Yes, sir.
That's tough. That is navy blue.
Yeah, it's navy blue
Navy
on
blue
the heel. Yep. And like their Air Force Ones, they went with more padding on the inside of these.
That's crazy
I
to
know.
think that you can come up with more padding to an
For
NMD.
these, yeah.
Like the whole sole is a cloud.
Yep.
That's like adding a cloud to a cloud. Neighborhood.
But just like yours, the extra padding is really on the back of the heel and stuff. That's not regular.
I feel it right there. Yeah.
Yeah, pause. Yup. So yeah, man, I'm
These are
excited
tough,
about
man.
these. It's dope joints. You know what I'm saying? I haven't seen a good R1 NMD in a long time.
Wait a second. So then there's this little plastic piece with the strip across, but it's there and it's on the heel.
Her rubberized.
Yeah, like rubberized. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right there and right here.
Yeah, that's classic NMD.
Yeah.
But not necessarily like this though.
Like that, right?
Yep.
That's what I'm saying.
Yep.
There's a lot of detail to this shoe. A lot of little details in here. Man.
Neighborhood, they did a good job. Neighborhood, y'all did a good job, man.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love a good NMD. So check this out. I was at the dentist the other day, right? You know, I go to the dental bar, right? It's like
this guy goes to a dental bar.
it's a bar, right? And they had this special. It was what is it called? Wine and Invisalign, right?
Okay.
So I went to start my whole Invisalign journey, right?
Wait a second. Wine and Invisalign.
Yes, it was an event. Wine and Invisalign event. Come in there, you get a percentage off all this other stuff, right? So it's not a commercial. It's not a commercial, but
I'm just saying.
I love them though. I ain't gonna lie. Yo.
Who wouldn't
want to
go to the dentist if you can get wine with your Invisalign? Like,
They had macaroons. Come on.
That's crazy.
So I'm checking out or whatever, and one of the technicians, she had on some NMDs, right? So I see that, I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, right. We familiar, right?
Now let's talk about it.
So I was like, all right, so I pulled my joints up. I was like, just pick these joints up the other day. Now they all call me Brocky. They all know me as Brocky there, right? Picked these joints up the other day, right? And she's looking, she says, oh, those are cute. Are you excited? And I was like, she's not a sneakerhead.
She's a person.
She's just a regular person with some
regular
NMDs.
human being.
She's a regular human being with some NMDs.
She bought the sneakers
I thought for the comfort. Yes, exactly. Exactly.
She's like, you don't come to me with this on my day job.
Right. Like, what? You must be excited. You showing me these sneakers. I was like, are you excited? I was like, yes, I am, actually.
Yeah, I'm very
And I'm going to
excited.
back out of this conversation because this is not what I thought it was. Those are cute. What? What are you talking about?